Good morning students. In this video I am going to explain you the book exercise and keywords of chapter 1 in civics. The title of the chapter is Democracy and Equality. Let us start with the keywords. Democracy. Democracy means a system in which the government of a country is elected by the people. Equality, the situation in which everyone has the same rights and advantages. Apathy, indifference or lack of interest. Fraternity, friendship and mutual support. Liberty, the state of being different. Stipulate, to clearly state that something must be done. Stipulate को आसान शब्दों में शर्त भी कहा जा सकता है. Dalits, the scheduled caste people. Book exercise. The first question is MCQ. The midday meal scheme was launched on, the answer is 15th August 1995. We need a government to make laws, settle disputes, enforce public order, and all of these. So the answer is all of these. In a democracy, power is in the hands of, answer is people. The most common form of social inequality in India is the caste system. Article dash means Article 15 of Indian Constitution makes provisions to treat people equally and with dignity. Exercise B, fill in the blanks. The essence of democracy is equality. The Article 15 states that people with disabilities have equal rights and the government should ensure their full participation in society. In the caste system, Dalits are generally discriminated against. The Americans of African origin are now known as African Americans. Exercise C, true false. If the statement is false, we have to correct the statement. In a democratic country, equality is the basic principle of governance. True. The Dalits have been given equal voting rights in India. True. No majority in India face discrimination. The statement is false. Dalits, females and girl children face discrimination in India. Midday meal scheme has brought about a social change. It is true. Rosa Parks became instrumental in starting an agitation against the discriminatory practices on 1st December 1996. The whole statement is true, but the year, that was 1955. Only the year is wrong. Exercise D. Answer the following questions in 10 to 20 words. Is universal adult franchisee important in a democracy? Yes, it is important because it reinforces the concept of equality. Question number 2. What steps has the government taken to ensure equal opportunities in private schools? The government in some states have made it mandatory for the private schools to provide some seats to the economically weaker sections of the society. What is the midday meal scheme? The midday meal scheme was launched on 15th August 1995 by the Government of India to provide elementary education to all children and ensure nutrition for the children of the disadvantaged group at the same time. What is universal adult franchisee? Universal adult franchisee ensures that every adult of any religion, class, caste or education is free to vote. Name some of the social inequalities that exist in India. Economic inequality, social inequality, the caste system, racism. Many types of social inequalities are existed in